Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to track Gcash Mastercard delivery. How you can do it? Well, if your delivery is not with you yet, depends on the area you registered your address. So within NCR up 10 business days, outside NCR up to 13 business days. So once your Gcash card is ready for delivery, you will receive a tracking number via SMS, and you can check the specific delivery status on the portal of the courier handling your delivery by entering your tracking number. Gcash card couriers in Japan integrate corporate services and are speed. So if you haven't received the tracking number yet, your card may still be endorsement or by bill printing stage. If you're marked 13 business days, you have passed and you're still having your card. So that's how you can do it, guys. Also, you can contact the help center in your Gcash account, and they will give you the solution for solve this problem. I recommend you to check this first, and also check their tracking number via SMS. So guys, that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.